This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about clamshells, specifically these Pulp Tech clamshells. We have the 32-ounce white square large clamshell. It's 9 1/4 inches square and 3 1/4 inches in height when closed. These Pulp Tech clamshells are available in a variety of sizes, and there's even ones that have compartments in there. So if you're looking to serve meals and you need to keep things like proteins inside separate, there's some really great options in this line. One of the great things about buying clamshell containers is you don't have to worry about buying matching lids because it's right there. They're easy to flip closed, and they feature a nice tab and lock closure that's easy to just slip in for a nice secure fit to keep those foods contained, secure, and warm. These containers are made from repurposed sugarcane fibers for an eco-minded disposable alternative to classic foam clamshells. The containers are commercially compostable and biodegradable as well. They're suitable for use with both hot and cold foods. They're grease resistant, and in addition to that, they're also safe to use in the microwave and freezer as well, making them a really versatile item, not only for packing up to-go orders, but also for your customers if they want to reheat or store those leftovers. They're perfect to use for things like chicken wings, hot dogs, burgers and fries, chicken sandwiches, and more. So they're a great eco-minded to-go container for any establishment that's in need of some great clamshell options.